You are experiencing thinning, your loctician may be the reason why. Check this out the next time you get your hair done. If your loctician is excessively combing through your
Really?
roots, that is a sign. They're taking all that hair and they're
Wow.
pulling it down, concentrating it into one place versus just leaving it where it's at. You do not have to comb through the new growth to get a nice, neat, slick look.
Okay.
Number two, if your loctician is allowing you to get a style every time you see them, that is a bad sign. There's no reason why you should be getting a style every single time you see your loctician. The next thing is, if your loctician is not explaining the importance of keeping your style in for a short, limited time, they're doing you a disadvantage. You should only be keeping your lock styles
Okay.
in for 7 to 10 days at most. And I understand that, yes, they're expensive, but at the end of the day, your hair health is more important than
Okay.
keeping an aesthetic. Make sure you follow me for more
Can you
lock
hold
tips
on
and
there?
check
Just
out
hold on.
Garden Bee
Hold on.
for natural hair care.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Obinocious Signature, aka Emmanuel Christian. I just want to justify what this lady said. And I'm going to do that from two points of view: as a loctician that practice crocheting, and also as a loctician that practice palm rolling. So I'm going to give you two points of view from a loctician that practice palm rolling before I go into interlocking. Now, for loctician that practice palm rolling, the first reason why we comb the root is so that we want the root to be flexible for a retwist, and all those hair that are short in between the roots that cannot be seen or we can't catch with our bare hands, we use comb to stretch them out to catch them for a smooth retwist. That is the first reason. And the second reason why we always do comb the roots before we twist is that we are trying to make sure that the hair connects with the ones above it to form an even length of thread and size. So your second point, now I want to let you know that it is not constant styling that thin out locks. My clients, they retwist their hair every 6 weeks, minimum every 6 weeks. My client retwists their hair every 6 weeks. And when I'm retwisting, I know the nature of the person's hair and how I should twist the person's hair. So when you have someone with a very light hair, your twisting should be very light. And when you have someone with thick hair, then your twisting should be moderate. So you twist based on the strength of the person's hair. And I will not advise you as a loctician to twist too hard. And after you retwist, the best way to keep that hair looking good and nice is by styling it. And when you style it, then it's going to take the person 1 month. So economic wise, it helps to keep the hair for as long as the person wish. And after the person takes out the styling, he can actually leave his hair to fly as long as he wants. So because of that style that he kept for 2 3 weeks, it can never be the reason why the hair is thinning out, because the pressure applied is moderate to what the person is carrying. And if you can check it out, you can compare hair that they've been crocheting and hair that they've been palm rolling. You will see that the thickness is totally different and very obvious, because palm rolling gives healthy locks. Palm rolling is called a freehand. It's a freehand method that locks on its own. The only part that palm rolling plays, or the comb twist plays, is that it helps each locks to stand individually. You getting it? It's just like you have a piece of land and you are trying to work on their roots. You are trying to cultivate each plant to stand firm on its own. That is what comb twisting is doing to the logs. So comb twisting helps your logs to grow and logs on its own pace. The only thing they do is they make sure that the roots, the arena, is sectioned individually. Unlike the crocheting that you have to go in and and crochet the hair all through to make sure that it stays together. And aside from that, check the level of flexibility. Any logs that practice retwist or palm rolling is always flexible than any logs that practice crocheting. Then the rate of damage one can get from palm rolling is minimum compared to the rate of damage one can get from crocheting. I quote you anywhere. If you can check the root of people that do crochet, you will see they have a lot of short hair around their locks, lot of shaded short hair around their locks. And that reason is because some unprofessional locticians go to crochet their hair, and that way the method they are using to crochet their hair is breaking those light flexible hair. But palm rolling does not have that kind of repercussion. I'll call it repercussion. Then the last one is you said you should not allow somebody carry you should not encourage somebody to carry hair for like 10 to 20 days. I think I've answered all of your questions. So please, when you are making a point, try to clarify it for people to understand better that every point has its own reason and why it's been applied. So palm rolling cannot do without combing the root. If you can do that with your crocheting, that's fine. But for palm rolling, we can do that. I still remain Obinocious signature. Thank you.